that just all of a sudden showed up in my house?
Do you like to learn?
I guess.
Did you know that your body is made up of many, many tiny cells?
Everyone knows that.
But did you know that each one of these cells is made up of many, many tiny organelles?
No.
Would you like to learn?
I guess.
Then follow me upstairs.
Wait a second. Why would I follow you upstairs? I mean, you're just some guy who showed up in my house. I don't trust you yet.
I have a cookie for you.
All of a sudden, I trust you more.
Follow me.
Good. That's really good. Nice. That's a good cookie right there.
I can tell just by looking at you, my friend, that you are weak. Because you lack knowledge, and therefore power. Because knowledge is power.
Are you suggesting that if I was powerful, I would also be knowledgeable?
No, I'm saying that if you're knowledgeable, you're powerful, and therefore strong.
So, knowledge is strength.
No, knowledge is power. Power is strength. Strength is knowledge.
Knowledge is strength, is power, is wisdom, is knowledge, is power.
Exactly.
I'm feeling stronger already.
That's good. Now, in order to learn, all you have to do is walk over here to my computer monitor. Watch and learn.
This is an overview of a cell. The nucleus is the brain of the cell. In eukaryotic cells, it is a central membrane-bound organelle that manages cellular functions and contains DNA. DNA is the cell's code on how to function and reproduce properly.
The nucleolus is the site of ribosome production within the nucleus of eukaryotic cells.
Nuclear membrane is the double-layered membrane surrounding the nucleus of a eukaryotic cell, separating the nucleoplasm, the yolk of the nucleus, from the cytoplasm.
Ribosomes are simple cell organelles that help in the manufacturing of proteins. Chromatin is a mass of genetic material composed of deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, and proteins that condense to form chromosomes.
The endoplasmic reticulum is a highly folded membrane system in eukaryotic cells that is the site of protein and lipid synthesis. Here you can see a rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is where ribosomes are attached, which produces proteins with ribosomes. Here you can see a smooth part of the endoplasmic reticulum where ribosomes are not able to attach. This membrane surface is where carbs and lipids are synthesized.
Vacuoles are membrane-bound vesicles found in the cytoplasm of a cell whose function includes intercellular secretion, excretion, storage, and digestion. In a plant, it is a sac used to store food, enzymes, and other materials needed by the cell. Some vacuoles store waste products. However, animal cells usually do not contain vacuoles, but if they do, they are usually smaller than plant vacuoles. The Golgi apparatus is an organelle involved in glycosylation, which is adding carbohydrates to a protein. Packaging of molecules like proteins into vesicles for secretion, transports of lipids around the cell, and the creation of lysosomes.
Lysosomes are organelles containing a large range of digestive enzymes used primarily for digestion and removal of excess or worn-out organelles, food particles, and engulfed viruses or bacteria.
Mitochondria are spherical or rod-shaped organelles found within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells, and are referred to as the powerhouses of the cell, since they act as the site of production of high-energy compounds, which are a vital energy source for several cellular
Chloroplasts are
processes.
chlorophyll-containing plastids found within the cell of plants and other photosynthetic eukaryotes.
Centrioles are small self-replicating cylindrical-shaped organelles typically located in the cytoplasm near the nucleus and cells of most animals. It is involved in the process of nuclear division.
The cytoskeleton is the lattice or internal framework of a cell composed of protein filaments and microtubules in the cytoplasm, and has a role in controlling cell shape, maintaining intercellular organization, and assists in cell motion. Microtubules are long, hollow protein cylinders that form a rigid skeleton for the cell and assist in moving substances within the cell.
Microfilaments are thin protein threads that help give the protein shape and enable the entire or parts of the cell to move.
In eukaryotic cells, the cytoplasm is the part of the cell between the cell membrane and the nuclear envelope. It is the jelly-like substance in a cell that contains the cytosol, organelles, and inclusions, but not including the nucleus. In fact, the cytoplasm and the nucleus make up the protoplasm of a eukaryotic cell.
Cilia are microscopic, hair-like projections on the surfaces of some cells and certain organisms.
Microvilli are minute projections of cell membranes which greatly increase the surface area of the cell.
Flagella are long, slender, thread-like extensions of certain cells or unicellular organisms used mainly for movements.
Now that you are not knowledgeable, my friend, you are ready to go out into the world. Now that you are knowledgeable, and therefore powerful, and therefore strong, and therefore wise, you can exit this place as my student.
Yeah! Oh, wait a second, this is my house.
Not anymore.